Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Homer app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Homer is an educational app designed for young children, focusing on reading, phonics, math, and critical thinking. The app offers a personalized learning experience based on a child's age, interests, and skill level. It includes engaging stories, interactive lessons, songs, and games, all aimed at making learning fun and effective. Parents can track progress and adjust the learning path as their child grows. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app has a bright, kid-friendly interface with smooth animations and intuitive navigation. Many users praise its engaging content and how it adapts to each child's needs. Parents especially appreciate the focus on early reading skills and the balance between learning and entertainment. It's also ad-free, which adds peace of mind. That said, it's not without flaws. Some users report issues with app crashes or lag on older devices. The subscription model can be expensive for some, and offline access is limited. A few parents feel the content becomes repetitive over time, especially for faster learners. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Homer is a strong choice for parents looking for an early learning app that's fun, structured, and personalized. While there are some technical and pricing concerns, it offers real value for building foundational skills in young children. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.